I didn't know we were going to speak, but thank you for keeping my family complete.
My experience has truly been life-changing.
There's the hope of it being able to give me back the use of my hands and my upper extremities.